Hello guys. So sometimes you are in a hotel and you have your shirt and it looks quite a bit like out of the garbage bin because it's not ironed and you don't want to go after the iron or you cannot get it. Here are a quick tip how to fix this, at least what I have figured out after quite a bit of traveling, and often it helps a lot. So how to get rid of these wrinkles and everything else on the shirt. Just go with your top water here, and then where you see the crinkles, just smear it out with the clean water. Like, do it like everywhere you see this problems. I'll show you a little bit more. So after you went out through the shirt where it was crinkly with the water, the quickest solution how to make it ironed, at least kind of looking ironed, take a hair blower and just dry this out everywhere. It's often better if you wear it on, but since it's back, I cannot show you how to do it like that. So it's back, do it from here, and then front when you're wearing it, and you can easily see where it's crinkly and a little bit, add more water. Overall, as you see, it kind of helped a lot. So this is a quick solution if you don't have iron and you want to actually iron your shirt or whatever else, and you have hair blower and as well water. It's easy to do and quick, and I hope I could help you. Thanks for watching.